This United Real Estate Infinity property video is presented by Mary Redden. This gorgeous and lovingly maintained home offers open floor plan 1800 plus square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, den, screened lanai and large fenced backyard. Tile roof is in excellent condition. The exterior has mature landscaping, bordered beds and privacy landscape border down one side and across the rear. Interior underwent extensive upgrades/remodeling in 2018. The kitchen offers new cabinetry, granite counters, stainless appliances and large breakfast bar, step-in pantry and enormous storage space. The Nature Tek flooring throughout the home is waterproof. The spacious master suite has walk-in closet, storage closet and room for king-size furniture. The master bath provides dual sinks, extra storage, and shower. The guest rooms are spacious and bright. The guest bath has tub/shower combo, granite counters and extra storage. Large screened lanai. Backyard has room for pool. Garage and lanai floors are epoxy coated. AC system replaced in 2018. Entire house has custom window coverings and plantation shutters. The Southwind community is a gated community with heated community pool, large lake, fishing pier and is pet friendly.